Hi guys, Matt here, hope you're doing really well. In this video here, going to show you how to copy and paste module clusters. So when I refer to a module cluster, I'm referring to something like this. So multiple modules at once. And on that note, I also suggest when you create your scenarios, is you put all your modules into like for like modules. So as you can see here, I'll just quickly explain that. We've got set variables, they're all in purple up here. And there's two related ones that refer and work with the set variable. This one here, other clusters, are for the apps in question. So you may recognize this logo here, it's Slack. So that's a cluster there of Slack. This one here is all this blue stuff here is Airtable. So this is a great online database software that I highly recommend if anyone wanting to make meaningful interpretation of all their data. There'll be separate videos on that. Down here, here's another cluster. So you get the idea, and I'll just do this one here. This is Coda, another online database software similar to Airtable as well. So you would have noticed the rectangle popping up. So the first thing you need to do is if you're using a mouse, which I am here, you hold on your keyboard as well, you hold down Shift and left click on your mouse, and then you select it, and you'll notice it's rotating. So this is highlighting that something's being highlighted in Integromat. That's why I love Integromat. It's so easy to use, it's very visual, and you can do things in bulk quite simply. So we're going to now right click. So right click and copy modules. And the good thing about this, you can actually copy modules into separate scenarios. I'll show you a quick demonstration of the scenario here. So right click wherever you want the module, so right click and do paste. So all that has pasted there, and simply as you're getting the endpoint, and you just select it to wherever you want it to go. But we're going to deselect that, so right click. We can go to any other scenarios we wish. We'll go leave, create a brand new one. We'll just select any, make sure we'll skip that. Right click, paste. There you have it, your modules have pasted across. So that's how you can copy entire clusters of modules and copy them within your scenario that you're working on, or a brand new one as you've seen in this demonstration here. So hopefully that helps. Any comments, put them down below, and you'll go from there. Good on you, Matt K, Build with K. Cheers.